mo. More power, and sana pagpatuloy mo lang mag-upload ng mga videos, quality videos para naman sa mga viewers mo kagaya ko, 'di ba? Mga subscribers mo, and keep it up. Syempre, and God bless.
Yo, what's up? Bisayang Kodaker, happy Vlogsary. Happy po kalimot da nga 11 dayron may gani nagsilang Lazada, so murag tunang timing sa kayo Bisayang Kodaker da nga timing kayo nga nagsilang Lazada, so may gani nakakuan ko. So happy Vlogsary, sir, and keep vlogging and keep sharing good vibes on YouTube, and please subscribe to Bisayang Kodaker.
So, congrats na po for our first anniversary sa atong channel, Bisayang Kodaker. I wish successful ta sa atong channel. That's all, and congratulations to both of us. Bye.
Hello, Sir Hernandez. Happy first Vlogsary on YouTube.
Hi Kuya! Ayun, happy 1-year anniversary sa iyong YouTube channel. And thank you so much kasi isa ako at piling parte ako na special celebration mo na to. And alam ko, from the moment na nakausap talaga kita, alam ko na you're a good person. That's why you are so blessed. And alam ko na yung blessing na to, sinishare mo pa din sa amin in your own different way. Kasi nai-inspired kami sa channel mo, nai-inspired kami sa pagpupush mo sa channel mo. At dahil doon, na-inspired kami na i-push namin yung channel. Thank you so much, and naniniwala ako na malilibot namin ang buong Pinas sa channel mo. Ayan. Ang wish ko lang sana magkaroon ka pa ng marami pang subscriber. And God bless sa'yo, and God bless sa family mo. Ayan. Again, happy 1-year anniversary sa iyong YouTube channel.
So this is Dexter from the XBDivine's YouTube channel. So I'd like to congratulate my mentor, advisor, and a good friend, Engineer Hernandez, for celebrating his first YouTube channel anniversary, the Bisayang Kodaker. Please subscribe him. Hi fans, I have a question. Kinsa ang YouTuber or vlogger nga hilig mga views parehas ani?
So that's it. It's 11:11. It's our first Vlogsary. Congratulations to all of us. Bye!